Mathematics mode is the really cool one. That's the one that allows it to do all that beautiful calculations. And
Hi, how you doing?
Hello, I'm okay. And you?
Fantastic. I'm
Yeah.
good. I'm good.
So I am Juan Luis, and I teach in the British School of Brussels. I teach Spanish, and I'm the leader of technology for learning in the secondary school. That's why I decided to come here to see, other perspectives and see what people had to say.
Fantastic. How's the we'll say this afternoon? How's the morning been for you?
It's been really good. A lot of food for thought, a lot of different perspectives, not only from the teaching point of view, but also people who create this kind of technology that we're trying to implement in education, which is really interesting and a good perspective to have as well.
Wonderful. So just talk us through what you're doing at the moment then in this MindJoy workshop.
So we've been told that we can create kind of a customized chatbot to teach the kids to do anything you want. So what I'm trying to do is to create one that actually teaches the kids how to conjugate verbs in Spanish. That is something they find quite difficult, since in English, conjugating is quite easier than in Spanish. And so far, so good. It seems like it's asking the right questions, and I'm looking forward to exploring it a bit more.
Amazing, amazing. Well, we'll let you crack on and explore a bit more. But thank you for speaking with us at the moment.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you for taking a little bit of time to speak to us this afternoon. How have you found everything this morning?
Oh, it's been fantastic. Yeah, it's really good to be with other people from Bucharest and further parts. But obviously, we're of the same sort of mindset that we appreciate. This is a big part of what our jobs are going to be in the upcoming years, and many of us are excited about it, but are also curious and potentially anxious about certain things as well. So it's good to be able to network and talk to them.
Yeah, definitely. Whereabouts are you from? Are you based in Bucharest?
Yeah, I'm at the British School of Bucharest down the road. Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah, you're right about networking, isn't it? Being able to go around and see everyone. So you're in the MindJoy workshop at the moment. How are you finding it?
Oh, it's easy to set up. It's an interesting idea. The idea that we have personalised chatbots for students. I just really wanted to see what it was like, what it looked like for the students. I've done a little bit of reading about this idea. There's lots of potential. Also, some things which potentially that we need to be careful with regards to sort of data protection. But also the idea if children perhaps become reliant on chatbots, what sort of implication does that have? So I just really wanted to experience it for myself to see, what it looked and felt like.
And what are your thoughts about it so far?
Well, it's making fun of me at the moment because I asked it to be a little bit sarcastic and to make fun of my disorganisation and procrastination habits, and it's telling me how to organise my homework.
So a good start for it. Is this something you think you could be using in your classroom?
Potentially, yes. It'd be interesting. I mean, obviously, we've just started here. I'm interested to see how it works with other platforms like sort of Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams. It'd be interesting to see how easy it is to send out. But the real sort of road test will be how the children themselves interact with it.
Yeah, completely agree. It's something we use in our classroom, and spoke with David a few times about it. It's a great platform to have. So I will let you carry on exploring with it. Hopefully it won't make too much more fun of you.
Oh, it's too late for that.
Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Claudia, how are you doing? How's the event been for you so far?
It's mind-blowing. I thought I came for a short, informative conference and then take the afternoon off. It's not at all like that.
But no afternoon off. What are you doing at the moment then?
Well, we're creating a cookie dispenser that's portable, keeps 5 or 6 biscuits at a time. It's easy, and I'm happy to work with these wonderful young people.
Wonderful and young.
Yes.
You know.
Thank you. I'll take it. I'm a teacher. I've been educated. I have all the degrees. I thought I knew it all. That's not at all the case.
Okay, so tell us, what's one of the things that you have learned today?
That I need to get on this TGV of innovation to get ahead of my student and then sort of help them create the futures they deserve, better futures.
Amazing, amazing, Claudia. Well, we're going to let you get back to this. I don't want your team to think that we've pulled you apart and you're not contributing now anymore. So, yeah, what do you win, by the way, if you?
Experience,
Okay.
I guess.
Yeah, I thought we might win the cookies, but apparently we're just doing the dispenser for him to put the cookies in. He never said we get the cookies. I know.
All right, guys. All the best with that. Thanks ever so much. How's it
Hello.
going?
Beautiful, beautiful.
What are you doing at the moment then?
We're actually taking an idea and putting it through several iterations, and so we're actually creating something that we've imagined thanks to AI. It's a cookie dispenser for our fine gentleman over here.
Is he the cookie monster?
He's the cookie addict.
I eat far too much. That's why I need.
So we're creating a cookie dispenser so that he doesn't get sick later on.
Okay, fair enough. So,
so-
just talk us through then. What is it you're doing? 'Cause to me, it just looks like you're folding. It just looks like you're peeling cardboard.
I'm actually stripping the cardboard so we can get we can take some of the sticker. We don't have cardstock. Hands that have not seen a day's work.
All right. Well, as you continue with that, tell us about how's your morning been?
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. This is a great conference. Very, very deep, profound thoughts on education and AI. And so it's nice now to kind of put into practice and see what we can do with it for our students and for ourselves as well.
It's amazing, fantastic. Well, I'm going to leave you to your cylindrical shape making,
Thank you, thank you.
and thanks for speaking with us today.
Thank you for talking to me.